It is time. What's today, guys?
Father's Day camp.
Wait, what? We're going camping?
Yeah. Father with just boys.
Oh, just fathers and sons mostly?
Most girls.
Our church puts on a father-son camp out. So
Spoiler alert, girls are coming.
it's once a year and boys get to be boys.
Yeah.
Hey, where are we going? I mean, do you know what the campsite's called?
No. Father's camp.
No, the campsite.
No.
It's called Camp Karankawa. Say that.
Camp Karankawa.
Say that.
Camp Karankawa.
Hey, that was good. All right, let's get in the car. Come on.
I'm dying.
Oh, sorry, got your legs. Oh, jeez. Okay, he just jumped and I wasn't even ready. Forgot a toy. You guys ready?
Yeah! I like it. I like this song. Wait, did you turn it on?
You like this song?
Yeah.
This one?
No, I don't like it.
Yeah. You guys are getting in it? What am I supposed to do? All the work?
Push it.
Okay.
Wait. Jackson, get in. This is fun. You get a joyride.
Usually we have to balance those things, right?
I don't want to do that.
You're losing stuff. I'm just doing a family video. The moms never know what happens here, so I'm trying to... We're waiting for some friends. The boys want to go set up camp right now. This is the tow your stuff in setup. You put it on this little deal and the kids often just get on, and then two daddies pull these, stand in here like freaking horses or oxes. Yeah, grab that ball and stick it on there.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. We love you. I love you. She can't even see us. She's gonna watch the video. Mommy, we love you. We miss you already. Mommy, we love you. We miss you already. But Mommy, I miss you. I can't get
Oh man, this thing's balanced perfectly. While we're here, let's check out the accommodations, which actually really are good for a campsite. So let's go in. You got a sink, a toilet, actual plumbing, cold water shower. That's what I'm talking about. And that's the rig that we're using there. Oh. Holy crap, that's hard. Oh, my message failed to send. Okay, are you guys gonna help me set up the tent?
Yeah. What I can do?
Harder. Ooh, it's okay. Keep going.
Sorry.
Just hit it. Just keep hitting
I'm
it.
so sorry. There's no sledgehammer for
All the
that
way.
song.
Good.
No, it's my turn.
Give it to Jack. Give it to Calvin. Hit it hard. You can't break it. Hit it. Good job. All right, finished with the tent. Here's the setup. Got our front porch, stopped from tracking stuff inside. Got the boys on cots with sleeping bags. There's me in the middle, getting some air. Once upon a time, Jackson, who was sleeping over there, didn't want to wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. So he just decided to go. Went right through that cot and got me all wet with pee. Soaked it up with the t-shirt and just kept on sleeping. Father-son campouts. What's up, Henry? You have a stick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we put our tent up in the wrong spot, so I get to do that all over again. Well, I'm a freaking dum-dum. Just had to take down the whole thing I set up because apparently they're changing this year the normal campgrounds. For the last 5 years or 6 years or however long I've been going to this thing, we camped at the same place, same campground in this Boy Scout camp, but this time apparently not. Going to a different one. John just helped me take that one down, so I'm gonna reset it up. Okay, so let's pretend this is where we started out, but we moved. There's John's tent over there. That's where the fire's gonna be. There's my boys. Ooh, super bright because I'm looking at them. What's up, guys?
So,
You guys are you guys burning chips?
yes.
Hey, Henry, is that good? You cold?
Yeah.
Really cold? You're wearing a jacket, a sweater, and pants. Who's that?
Me, I went splat in the mud.
What do you mean you went splat in the mud?
I fell on my face in the mud.
Looks clean. What's dirty? Oh yeah, here, let me see. Got a little mud on your knees.
I'm probably gonna go change into different clothes.
Wet shoes.
Well, you have different
Okay, do you.
Ooh.
How's the night going?
Good.
What time is it right now, John?
7:48.
It is 7:48 and we're going strong.
This would be a real early night.
You tired, Jackson?
No.
No, we're going strong. Are you tired?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Henry's enjoying his feast of chips.
Henry's been getting full on chips all night. Let's get a little close up of Henry.
Mickey Mouse Bubba.
It's 8 o'clock and Henry is drunk.
Oh, is that a chip on the floor?
Hey Jackson, why is Eli in the tent? What do you mean? How did he get wet?
Fell in the mud.
So Eli fell in the mud 3 times and now he's out of clothes and he's upset, so he's in the tent. How was the day?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yeah.
How was your day?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Okay, good night.
Hey. Daddy.
Are you? Okay, good night.
Right.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
You cold right now?
Yeah.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Why'd you wake me up?
Because I have to go potty.
I have to go potty. Well, we're all loaded up. It's raining. It's cold. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and try to catch these suns in their natural habitat.
We're going to the fort.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Today's just Saturday.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Frisbee.
Frisbee?
In a giant fort.
The giant fort? What about yesterday? What was your favorite part? Playing
on the big tree.
Playing on the big tree with your
That is so easy to climb on.
with your headlights. So, you guys had a great time?
Yeah.
What's your rating? 1 out of 10.
10.
10? Did you have a 10, Calvin?
4.
4? 4's bad. 10's the best.
Okay. 10.
10? All right. Should we do it next year?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
We should go explore more things next year.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Say see you later.
See you later.